to be a man, baptized by John, called his disciples, calms the waves, warnings to hypocrites, teaches in parables, heals the sick, raises the dead, triumphal entry, the Last Supper, arrest and trial, nailed to the cross, alive again in 3 days, ascended to heaven, Holy Spirit into Pentecost, the church grows, the gospel goes to Gentiles and to all the world, and to all the world. We look for Jesus to return, to live with him in heaven, to live with him in heaven. Yeah!